welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Trnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, guys. So I'm gonna say my name in Slovak. Ahoj, volám sa Jessica Trnovec. So guys, in today's video we'll be recreating this look. Yes, this look I have here. Yeah, we'll be creating it. So if you want to know how I get this look, keep on watching. But please do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button, and also turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the notification when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright guys, so bye guys. So guys, I've already done my brows, so we're using this eye primer to prime my lid so that we can get started with our look. Yeah. So I was smiling because when I pressed it, it just poofed out. So I'm going to prime my lid, and I'm using this brush. It does not have any name, just a normal fluffy brush to blend everything out. And yeah, so we'll be using Patricia Bright palette. Yes, I love this palette so much. The pigment is so good. Like everything in this palette is so good. I love this palette so much. I'm going to put the link down or up. So these are the colors. The colors are amazing. Like they are amazing. So guys, first of all, I'll be applying Queen on my lid just as a transition color, so that we'll get more into this look. And guys, it's not only Patricia Bright palette I'm using different kind of palette because of the colors I'm looking for. You know, it's not in one palette you get all the colors you need. Yeah, so when I blended that out to satisfaction I want, then I went with this purple look. Also, this purple look is from Patricia Bright's palette. I'm going to put the name somewhere. Yeah, so this purple is so beautiful, like really beautiful. Yeah guys, this purple is so beautiful. So this purple is called Reckless, like reckless, and it looks reckless. So I kept on blending front and back to a desired color, like where I want it. Then I went with Fruit Punch just to blend the purple and the Queen, just to like blend those spaces out. Yeah, so I will not have like a big demarcation between the purple and the Queen and the rest. Hope you guys understand. So I'm using a smaller brush just to get really deep into that angle area, and I went back again with Reckless to blend everything out. This palette is so beautiful, like guys, the color it always gives me vibes anytime I look at this color. Alright, so I'm still going back and front with the two colors, like Reckless and Fruit Punch. Yes guys, so that's what I am doing. Yeah. So now I'm going to use Juvia's Place palette. Yes, and the shade I'm using there is Fulani, the black shade, because I needed a black shade for my wing area. Yeah, so I'll just apply that black shade on my side just to get that side to be a bit deep, a bit darker. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so I just need that place to be a bit darker. What do you guys think of my wig? Yeah guys, so I went back again with Reckless and went back and front so that the colors will mix together. Then I'm using this MAC 234 brush just to blend everything out so everything looks smooth and there will not be any, because there's no product inside this brush, just to make everything look even and smooth. Yeah guys, so I am using LA Gear Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Yeah, to cut my crease. Okay, I'm going to use a flat brush to cut this crease, a really flat brush to cut the crease. Yeah, that flat brush, just to cut the crease and make sure it looks super good. I'm looking up, so I'll make sure I get the shade I want. Yeah, guys, so I'm just dancing. I was listening to music as I was doing this video, but copyright. We don't need copyrights right now, no, because we are almost our way. So I went back again with the Funani from Juvia's Place palette. I went back with the Fulani and blended that place out. Now I am going with Patricia Brice's palette in the shade, that's blue there, in the shade Nobu. No, N-O-B, Nobu. Like, this color is so pretty. It's really pretty. So I blended those two together with the black. I just diffused them together. The shade is so pretty, guys. So now I'm using Jackie Hill Murphy palette. Like, I use four different palettes for this look. So I took there's a shade there, there's a blue shade there, that blue shade. So I just took that blue shade because we are just going with different shade. Like, this look is beautiful, guys. I'm trying to come out from my comfort zone, trying to create different look. So we are blending those two out. I also went back again with Nobu and also went back with the blue that is close to my hair color. Yes. So I was blending those two out. Then I went to another palette. This palette, it has plenty shadows. I think it's 360 shadows inside, but it does not have any name, guys. This palette does not have any name. Like, I got this palette on Jumia. If you're in Nigeria, you know this site that they call Jumia. Yeah, it has no name, so I just tried to pick it up. It has 360 shadows inside and different colors. So I went back with the white and with the blue, just going back with the same color, and I will do all my look off camera, and I'll come back and give you guys my finished thoughts. Yes. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.